Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to use your lecture recordings. For this type of lecture recording, you can actually select the part of lecture you would like to visit. You can also zoom in or out of your lecture if you want to look at something more closely. And finally, when you want to go to your Interact 2 site, just click back to exit. On your Interact 2 site, you want to click on this link to go to your lecture. From here you'll see there's a lot of buttons. The Play All button will let you view the entire lecture from the start to finish. The lecture will flow from one section to the next section. One way you can move to another section in Play All mode is using these buttons. The second way you can choose the part of the lecture you'd like to visit is by selecting a section from here. If you like to just watch one section of your lecture at a time and go away and think about it, this is a good way to just pick up from where you left off. When you're in the lecture, you can actually click on the buttons down the side here and they'll take you to a different section. You can also zoom in and out of your lecture. For most computers, to do this you can press the Control key and the plus or minus keys, and this will adjust the zoom. Another way of doing this is by going to your taskbar and finding the zoom key and either zooming in or zooming out. Finally, when you want to exit your lecture, just hit the back button and you'll go back to your Interact 2 site. So in summary, I encourage you to select the part of the lecture that you would like to visit. You can also use the zooming in and out keys on your browser to look at things more closely. And lastly, you can click back to exit.